take me back home just for a minute. We just did Genie Plus right here, decided to do it last minute. And of course we're gonna do Magic Kingdom because it has the most rides and it always is the same price as the new multi-park experience when you purchase Genie Plus. But I did notice just now, it's a little after 10 o'clock, that you can do majority of the rides right now, with the exception of Peter Pan, and I think Space Mountain was the other one. So besides those two and a couple of, you know, parades and whatnot, you can pretty much do what you want to right now at Magic Kingdom, which in my opinion is really the only park that you really truly need Genie Plus if you want to do a lot. Go to Magic Kingdom and we'll continue the conversation there. Oh, one more thing that might have contributed to the wait times right now at Genie Plus. Look, it was just raining earlier, but it seems to be clearing up just a little bit. Alright, so skip ahead a few hours and we have made it to Magic Kingdom. We're coming in like around 1:15, 1:30-ish. So our first lightning lane that I selected, which was Peter Pan, is in an hour. And in 15 minutes I get to select another lightning lane because it's been a few hours since the first time. Now Disney did recently change Genie Plus. How you use Genie Plus really has not changed, but how you purchase it and what park you're going to has changed. So you are now able to select Genie Plus for whatever park day you are going to, or you can do multiple parks, which would always be the highest tier. Magic Kingdom, so far, based on our experience, has always matched whatever the multiple park Genie Plus has been. However, Animal Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios is typically less or lower than the highest price point, just because there's not as many rides there. Why don't you say we go enjoy a few rides right now? Alright, we can book a new Genie Plus right now. What ride do we want to go on? Any thoughts? Dumbo. You want to go on Dumbo? Luckily for us right now, I'm able to book Dumbo and go on it right now. So like I said before, how you use Genie Plus has not changed. So if we just book Dumbo, we'll go on it and then we can book another lightning lane right away, which is awesome. I think I hear the Dapper Dans right around the corner. Yeah, there they are. Love seeing a Dapper Dans. Since we're going on, only makes sense. I like that they still have the 50th statues up, do you?
I do, because I loved all the 50th decorations, so I really don't want them all to go away. I know they will eventually, but I appreciate it for now.
They're still here for the time being. Still here. She's making a run for it. She's making a run for it. Hi, Olivia. Amelia, do you want to go on Ariel next, or It's a Small World? She sees all the kids playing in the water. All right, so for our next ride that we're doing, we're staying in Fantasyland. We're going on the Little Mermaid. We're going on the Little Mermaid. And then we'll do, right after this, we will do Peter Pan. And then we'll venture off into other areas. I saw Big Thunder was pretty close to, it's like only a half hour out booking, so maybe we'll do Big Thunder, Carrie.
Is Olivia gonna go on?
Probably not, but never say never. Lightning Lane. Wait, go ahead and scan, go ahead and scan.
Oh, she's so mean. I'll let you human if you give me your voice. Somewhere it's way to take it from me. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you will be on the day. A greater evil than tripe. Silver hair burial. Next laryngitis, not fortunate to be. Walt said that they weren't tell you he's sneaking.
Alright, the girls are all set up with drinks because it is hot outside. And we are now on our way over to Peter Pan, which is a ride that we don't do that often because one, it has a really long wait time, and two, usually with Genie Plus you can't really get it unless it's like way in advance, and we don't do Genie Plus that often. So we're going on Peter Pan. And Carrie's not listening, cool.
Was I in the shot?
Yeah. Onward to Peter Pan, and we just booked another lightning lane for Big Thunder Mountain, so we'll be going on that after Peter Pan. It'll be fun.
Woo!
We'll see.
Well,
Real quick, as we're passing Gaston's Tavern, if you have not had their cinnamon roll or the gray stuff, you were missing out here. You were missing out. The gray stuff is a cupcake, and the cinnamon roll is obviously a cinnamon roll. All right, we just made it. It's 2:25. I don't know if you can really tell. 2:25. Our lightning lane doesn't start until 2:30, but if you did not know, you can scan 5 minutes early on all of your lightning lanes. So we're going in right now. I think I know why Peter Pan's 90 minutes right now, because the lightning lane is really long. This is all lightning lane. All right, this at least kind of explains it. I think the ride went down. And then there's a cast members over there at the entrance blocking people from coming in. And 20 minutes later, here we are. We're about to go on. Oh, little pixie dust.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Tinkerbell. Ariel. Oh no, Wendy. Hooray! Oh wow, so we just got off Peter Pan. Lightning lane's really long, and it looks like the cast members are still blocking off standby and only doing lightning lane at this time. And I also know that it's a classic Disney ride, but I really don't understand why people like to wait like 2 hours for that ride. It's not worth it to me. It's just not worth it. Okay, so we're staying in Fantasyland, but after this, I promise we're going over to Frontierland and doing Big Thunder Mountain. We're hungry, and we are getting non-traditional theme park food. I think I mentioned before, our family was just in town. We did Animal Kingdom with them. We did all the rides there at Animal Kingdom. But if you're going on vacation or if you have family visiting, you eat like garbage. You eat like crap. So, Carrie and I both got salads. We're trying to cleanse a little bit. So we're at Pinocchio Village House right now, and mobile ordered. We'll eat our food and then we'll head on over to Frontierland. Right, Olivia? Yeah! What she said. We parked our stroller outside this time, so we're gonna go upstairs for the first time ever and eat. If you did not know, there is an upstairs to Pinocchio Village House. Pretty nice views if you ask me.
why would you go out there?
And you also get pretty good views of the castle. Alright, we're gonna go sit outside and enjoy the views. Downside, if you have kids in a high chair, I gotta go find one downstairs and bring one up. Alright, we just started eating, and I don't know if you can really tell, kinda, just started raining. So we picked eating at a good time. Alright, we just, I don't know, in a moment. We just finished lunch, dinner, and we changed our lightning lane to Buzz Lightyear. because it's still raining a little bit, so we'll go on Big Thunder Mountain a little bit later. It's still within 20 minutes of booking time, so I'm assuming that it'll be the same thing later on. But we're gonna head on over to Tomorrowland and do Buzz Lightyear. Olivia has to do it while we're eating, so why not? Might as well, right? Might as well. We made it. We're on our way over. We're on our way over.
Summertime, it's the time of umbrellas and running through the rain.
Yep. But it's also called for the best times for wait times, because usually people leave, so.
That's right.
But it doesn't really apply to us today because we're doing Lightning Lane. Off to Tomorrowland. How you doing, Amelia? Not so hot. Not so hot. That's okay. Not my best score, but not too bad. But look at how cool this room looks. I love this room. This is the last room right before you get off the ride.
Mission accomplished, Space
Hey,
Rangers.
Buzz.
Check the status board to review your score.
How'd you do?
Not good. 14,000 and 1,500.
Looks like it stopped raining. Looks like it. Awesome. All right, so I'm very happy that it stopped raining right now, but here's a look at some of the wait times. Space Mountain 65, but we're not going on that. A lot of the rides are down on the other side of the park due to rain, like Jungle Cruise. Oh, Big Thunder Mountain came back on. Pirates is 40 minutes. Haunted Mansion 55, Small World 25. So there's definitely a good amount of stuff that we can kind of do right now, but let's check some of the Lightning Lane times and I'll let you know what we booked. We now exit the Land of Tomorrow and head on over to the Land of Adventure. Adventureland. We're going on Pirates. Amelia, can you say arr? Arr. Dark in here, but love the smell of pirates. Love the smell of pirates. Row number one. Row number one.
I'll be sending you to Davy Jones.
Where is Captain Jack Sparrow? I don't know. Olivia's singing yo ho, yo ho. You like that ride? Yeah. Olivia, do you want to go on Big Thunder Mountain next? No? That's okay. That's okay. Do you want to split doing Big Thunder since O doesn't want to go on?
No.
No?
I think Mark will take this one.
Take it one for the team, you guys. I'll gladly take this one. They will be. We just saw some, it's not raining right now, but we just saw some lightning in the distance, sorry. Sorry, there was a cast member squeegeeing the puddles out of the way. It's not raining right now, but we just saw some lightning in the distance, so we're gonna head over there anyways and see if the ride is still operating or not. And while we're over here, we might as well do show you guys a little update of the former Splash Mountain, now Tiana's Bayou Adventure. They put the water tower up. Now Disney kind of put that up overnight. We haven't been able to do an update for you guys, but now that we're here at Magic, two birds, one stone. All right, I'll see you guys at the end. Bye. It is very crowded here right now in this area. Lightning Lane's even backed up. Big Thunder was showing a 40-minute wait. The standby line looks a lot longer than 40 minutes though. on, Big Thunder.
There he is! He beat the storm. Did you see Daddy? Yeah.
Olivia! You girls saw me. Did you see me? You saw me. Hello again. It's raining behind us. It's just starting to downpour again. I think we're gonna head home. Amelia's not having it at the moment, and we've done 6 or 7 rides today. Like I said, it's starting to rain again, so we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna call it a day. What'd you just say?
Little kids in ponchos are so cute.
Yeah. If Main Street wasn't so crowded, this would be a good time to get pictures with the reflections of the water. Right, Carrie?
With the collections of water?
Reflections of water.
Oh, I thought you were puddles.
No. You guys already know. We're going ferry boat. We're going ferry boat. All right, I just made it home. I'm in Carrie's office right now. Shout out to Brett and Jordan, one of our subscribers. They painted their office blue just like we did here when we purchased this house and did a soft renovation on it. So shout out to you guys, and also shout out to Rose, shout out to Nibel, sorry if I butchered that, and also shout out to Terrace9195, I shortened that, I apologize. As of this recording, those are the ones that commented on our last video, so I wanted to take a moment and say thank you. I appreciate you guys. And if you found any value in this video today and our experience on Genie Plus, make sure you comment down below. We had a blast. We had a great time in Magic Kingdom. Hi, Amelia. Let me show you guys Amelia. Hi, Amelia. Hi. Like I said before, we did just do Genie Plus after Disney updated their process at Animal Kingdom. We did all the rides there. And so if you like this video, I can guarantee you'll like that video. So check that out if you're interested in Animal Kingdom, Genie Plus, or Animal Kingdom All Rides, because we did both. 2 birds, 1 stone. But thank you guys again for watching. We will see you on the next one. Bye.